Hi, I've got my copy of Home Designer Pro 2019 open. I just drew a rectangle and I divided it into 3 sections. I'm going to go over here to Roof Tools. I've already turned off Auto Rebuild Roofs. I'm going to set the pitch to 312, just arbitrary on my part. Pick whatever you want, and I'm going to go put my cursor right on the outside edge of the wall, left click and drag. You can see a roof plane forming. I'm going to move my cursor in this direction because that's the way I want it to slant. And that created a roof plane. I'm going to set the overhang. Let's see, I've got temporaries dimensions off. Let me turn that on. There we go. Set that to 18. Again, it's just it's not a significant figure. Now I'm going to go to an overview camera so you can see what I've done so far. So that's all I've done, one shed roof. I'm going to hit Shift and F6 on the keyboard to do that, tile the screens. Now I'm going to draw another one. Click on the roof tool just to make it active. I'm going to click on this screen and then click on the tool, actually. Outside edge of the wall, left click, and there's another one. Let me rotate this so you can see what's going on, see? I'm going to overlap the overhangs a little bit. Probably isn't the way I would build it, but it's fine for now. You can see those roofs overlapping. And click on this dimension and set it to -18, so it's 18 on the other side. All right. And then, okay, we'll line these things up. Okay. Now, again, I'm going to click on this screen. Click on it's still selected. And then again, I got my snaps on so I can see when I'm on the edge of the wall there by that little red thing that comes into being. Line it up with that. Oh, it's slanting the wrong way. So I'm just going to take this and rotate it. Make sure it's on the edge. It was. And then I'll wrap this demonstration up. And this is one way to do it. So you can click on this screen and then we'll. Now to fill in these sidewalls, there we go. Now go back to this screen. Okay, I'm going to go up a floor in this software to the attic level and turn on the reference display so I can see the walls below. And then let me go over here. Yeah, select an exterior wall and just draw it in. Well, that's facing the wrong way. So I'm going to reverse the layers and also align it with the wall below. And also, when I've got that wall selected, get the edit toolbar over here where I'm working. I'm going to open that and tell it that I want it to be a no room definition, attic wall, and no locate. That's and that caused it to disappear completely. That's kind of the idea. I'm going to take this and move it up, you know, to the left, trying to get it to show up. I'm going to flip the layers again. No, that's not helping. I'm going to move, again, use the arrow key and move it to the left. There we go. I'm going to take this and copy it. It saves a few clicks. I'm going to rotate this around. I'm going to use the arrow keys and just move it incrementally to the right. I'm going to flip the layers. There we go. So the software has a lot of automatic functionality built into it, but it's not designed or capable of doing every possible thing. You have to figure out how to do these things yourself, like those sidewalls. And you just, you know, tell the software what to do via settings, or you just manually create what you want to create. Anyway, I hope this helps you in terms of demonstration. And thanks for watching. Bye.